Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. This is record number 37 and simply just a warm-up. I'm just doing a simple warm-up. I do this every single day. I think just a drawing for warm-up is pretty good. There are other penmanship warm-ups you can do just to train your hand and to make your hand kind of free to draw, because if you are creating art the entire day, when you start, it can start off kind of stiff. So doing these gesture drawings, doing some other penmanship art, which I will make a video of my certain penmanship things that I do every single day, can just loosen up your hand and make it just work out the way, especially if you are going to be maybe drawing an illustration that day. You're already familiar with holding the pen or stylus that day. So yes, this is my record number 37, and we will come up with a new record tomorrow. I think I'll either do a record or do a painting video. I have a few videos already lined up, so I'll share that with you guys. But that's all for today's record number 37. If you guys are also doing your everyday gesture drawings, feel free to share it with me on your social media. Tag me or DM me and I'll share it in my stories. The reason why is that I really want to encourage other people not to give up. Art is not, in my opinion, I think talent is important, but also practice and skills are also important. So just know that there's no perfect artist on this planet. There's no perfect person on this planet either. So yes, that is all for today's record. The rest of the video plays with some music, and the video is in real time, so I drew this in real time. I drew it in 8 minutes. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment if you want, and yeah, that's all for today. Have a great day. Bye.